In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add B-roll in Davinci Resolve. This process will enhance your videos significantly, making them more engaging and visually appealing. Let's get started. First, you'll want to import your B-roll footage. To do this, look for the media pool in your workspace. The media pool is where all your media assets are organized. It's usually located in the lower section of the interface. Once you locate it, right-click anywhere in the media pool area. A context menu will pop up. From this menu, select the option that says Import Media. This action will open a file browser, allowing you to navigate your computer's folders. Here, find and select the B-roll clips you want to use. This is crucial because importing the right clips sets the foundation for your editing process. After selecting your clips, click Open, and you will see them populate in the media pool, ready for use. Next, move to the Edit page. The Edit page is where you will do most of your video editing work. You can access it by clicking on the Edit tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in the Edit page, you will see your media pool on the left side and an empty timeline on the bottom. Now it's time to drag your main video onto the timeline. Locate your main video clip in the media pool, then click and drag it into the timeline. Make sure to place it on V1, which is the first video track. This step is important because V1 is your primary video layer. You should see the clip appear on the timeline, indicating it's ready for further editing. From here, you will drag your B-roll above your main video. Locate the B-roll clips you imported in the media pool. Click and drag one of those clips onto the timeline, but this time position it on V2, which is the second video track. This layering is essential as it allows your B-roll to overlay on top of your primary footage, creating a more dynamic viewing experience. Once you place the B-roll on V2, you will see it visually stacked above your main video. This arrangement is vital because it helps to maintain a clear structure in your editing workflow. Now let's trim the B-roll to fit your video better. You can do this by dragging the edges of the clip. Move your cursor to either end of the B-roll clip on the timeline until you see a trim icon appear. Click and hold, then drag the edge of the clip to shorten or extend it as needed. This allows you to refine how long the B-roll appears, ensuring it syncs well with your main video. Trimming is a crucial step in the editing process because it helps keep your content concise and engaging. Take your time to adjust the length, making sure it complements the main video without overwhelming it. Once you've finished trimming, review your edits by playing back the timeline. This will give you an idea of how the B-roll integrates with your main footage. You can make additional adjustments if necessary, ensuring everything flows smoothly. This final check is important as it helps confirm that your edits enhance the storytelling of your video. In conclusion, adding B-roll is a powerful way to enrich your video content. By following these steps, you can create more engaging and visually interesting videos in Davinci Resolve. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!